Every time a train crosses India, every time a city lights up at night, every time a factory powers on, there is a good chance that BHEL made it possible. At BHEL, we build the turbines that generate electricity, the transformers that carry it across the country, and the locomotives that move a billion people. And the people who build them, often it's women like her. Across 16 manufacturing plants in every major unit, they are not just engineers. They are the force that's powering a Viksit Bharat. In the heart of the power plant, precision is everything. Here, she ensures that machines weighing hundreds of tons spin with the accuracy of a watch, creating the heartbeat of the grid. Where most see heat and pressure, she sees a system to be mastered. In the toughest conditions on the shop floor, she is the one who says it's ready. In a world of sparks and fire, where most would look away, she looks closer. Her hands don't just shape metal, they hold things together, building what was once just a design on paper. Quietly, methodically, with absolute precision, she works where few are trusted to. You may never see what she builds, but across every corner of this country, it is already at work. She doesn't watch the world move by. She builds what moves it, engineering the momentum that drives the Indian economy forward. Steel and iron tell one story, she tells another, in circuits, in code, in the logic that runs beneath it all. From the heaviest machine to the smallest chip, she is there. And she isn't building for today alone. Every decision she makes, every system she designs is a step toward an India that is cleaner, stronger and built to last. From turbine halls and labs to the boardroom, our women engineers, technicians and leaders aren't just breaking barriers, they are building the infrastructure of a Viksit Bharat. At BHEL, women aren't entering heavy engineering, they are already there, engineering the machines that power a nation and shaping the technology that will define India's tomorrow. They are not the exception, they are the standard. They are the women of BHEL.
Every Women's Day brings with it an opportunity for us to both celebrate and deliberate. Celebrate our achievements and accomplishments as women, and believe me that we BHEL women have a lot to be proud of. At the same time, we also need to deliberate on what we as an organization and as individual women can do to advance the cause of women around us, because together we are unstoppable. Happy Women's Day.
Women of BHEL, engineering India's tomorrow.